Alright, break, and finally, break number 29. Full case of 17 NT baseball. Dylan's got the Pirates, Mariners, Howard's got the Cubs, Jacob's got the Orioles, Rangers, and Blue Jays, and Jim, you've got a bunch. Mark's got the Royals, Jim's got everything else. Diamondbacks, Braves, Red Sox, White Sox, Reds, Indians, Rockies, Tigers, Astros, Angels, Dodgers, Marlins, Brewers, Twins, Mets, Big Yankees, A's, Phillies, Padres, Giants, Cards, Rays, and Nats. So you've got a bunch of teams. Let's get some good stuff. Bear with me on the on the breaking of the case. I'm in a hotel. Definitely relocated because the power's out in basically all of New Jersey. I forgot my knife of all things. I grabbed all the product and I grabbed the sleeves and whatever else, but I forgot my knife. So I've got a key and a pen. So we will get into this, and I swear I will not damage the cards. But yeah, good luck to everybody that got in. Full case, another case is in the store, and it definitely qualifies for the free jackpot. Oh, one on the back too. 2 stickers. Aha! Nice boxes too. I think I know somebody that wants them. Hopefully I don't mess them up too much with the way I gotta open this thing. I feel like a putz. But nonetheless, the cards will be the same, and we'll crack them open. Sealed up. What did you say? Cubs are going to kill? Only big team you don't have? Yeah. Alrighty. Oh, this is brutal. Never go to a hotel without a knife, people. Woo-hoo-hoo. Alright, now bear with me on some of the names. I know there's some different stuff in here. Alright, for the Rangers, Joey Gallo. Look at that, Jacob gets the first hit. 11 of 15. For the White Sox, Abreu. That one is 13 of 99. Yeah, just go to the store, mixers and Fujang Bucks. 5 filler spots. You got 2 of the 5 filler spots, so you're running pretty good. For the Mariners, at a 99, or sorry, for the Marlins, Stanton. Treasure Materials, Stanton. And I believe this is for the Cubs. Just says Chicago. I might have to look this one up. Lefty Williams, 42/99. Jim, you might know. White Sox or Cubs? I'll look it up anyway. 42/99. Oh, we got a redemption. It's for the Braves. Dansby Swanson. Jacob, you got the Orioles and the Jays out of the filler. Dansby Swanson for the Braves. College rookie material SIGs. Nice one for the A's. Chad Pinder, 2/10. Yeah, no worries. You basically got two teams for less than the price of the Orioles. Raul Mondesi for the Royals, 7/10. Rookie jersey SIG. That's for Mark. One team. Snipes a hit. Here's one for the Red Sox. Nice one for Ortiz. Wow. 23/25. My God, that's beautiful. Nice one, Jim. And we got a booklet, I believe. Yeah, Legend Cuts for New York. 10/10 for the Yankees. Whitney Ford. I'm assuming the Yankees. I don't think it's for the Mets. That's some cool stuff. Alright. That'll do it for the first box. I'm going to milk this thing too, Jim. I hope you enjoy it. I think we got a nice one on the back. Sick patch here for the Mariners. Nelson Cruz. Yeah, it's in the Mixers tab on the webpage. That was a nice sick patch there for the Mariners. For the Tigers at a 99. Miggy. Treasure Materials. And I believe again for the Yankees, 12/99, Elston Howard. Not really seeing much Mets colors, so I'm assuming it's for the Yankees. I'll verify all these too, but very nice, very nice. All right, here's another one for the Red Sox. Chris Sale, 14 of only 25. Nice sig. Man, the lighting here is way better than my place. I don't even get a glare. It's awesome. Chris Sale for the Red Sox. Another one for the Red Sox. Xander Bogaerts. Treasure Sig Materials, 53/99. Some really nice stuff. My God. How does this stuff not fill? My God. For the Twins, Hometown Heroes. Brian Dozier. 5/99 for the Twins. That was another Jim hit. Sick patch here. For the Brewers, Arcia, 5/49 for the Brewers. It's also going to Jim. Look at that patch right in Milwaukee. That is cool. The K there. KE. Oh, man. For the A's. Reggie Jackson, 27/99. Cool. Nice stuff. Shit, this is sick. I'll make sure the cleaning lady doesn't take your cards. right, for the A's, Matt Olson, 25 and 99. Lefty Williams is White Sox. Okay. Here's a rookie, David Dahl for the Rockies, 80 and 99. Timeline Materials. Rockies. That's another Jim hit. For the Rangers, Beltre. That one is 99 of 99. Aaron Judge's Rangers. Yeah, I thought so. I wasn't sure. Here's a cool one. All Decade. 1920s. Babe Ruth, Tris Speaker, and Rogers Hornsby. Anybody wants to help me out with these three teams? 8 out of 25. Babe Ruth, Rogers Hornsby, and Tris Speaker. If no one can search it right now, I'll check it at the end. Oh, here we go. Yankees, I'm assuming Cardinals and Indians, unless the teams have been changed names a bunch of times. Well, let's just see. You have all those? Okay, that's what I was checking. All right. That's a Jim hit. Adam Duvall for the Reds at a 99. 62 and 99 for the Reds. Nice SIG jersey. For the Rockies, Senzatella, 13 and 99. Patch auto. Here's a cool one. This one is for the Tigers. Alan Trammell, 74 and 99. Looks to be on card. Very nice. Very nice. The Tigers. That is Jim. Nice rookie patch here for the Mariners. Heredia, 17 to 25. That's going to somebody new. That's Dylan. Couple hits on the board. And for the Padres, Hunter Renfroe. Nice auto booklet. Very cool. All right, that's 3 of 4. Let's see what we can do in the 5th or the 4th one. Got a cool one on top. All right, for the Indians, 19 to 25, Corey Kluber. Another hit for the A's, Ricky Henderson, 8 of 10. This one's going out to the Reds. Pete Rose, 65 and 99 for the Reds. Another one for the A's. Nunez, 46 and 99. I like this design of the cards for sure. Very nice. 46 and 99 for the Reds. Renato Nunez. Frank Thomas for the Blue Jays, 48 and 99. Or sorry, 48 to 49. Nice one. That's going to Jacob. Patch auto. Jersey auto. His last kick of the can with the Blue Jays. Very nice. And for the Twins, 17 to 25. Tony Oliva? Tony Oliva? I'm going to go with Oliva. This one's for the Twins. That one's going to Jim. Very nice. And we're getting down to the wire here. For the Rockies, 3 of 25. Marquez. And Legends booklet, Johnny Bench for the Reds. And that'll do it for NT. I guess I'll see if you guys can get a free case, right? 93 and 99. Cool stuff. Alright, let me just grab the teams. The German? What German? Hey, you never know, man. You might get a free case here. All right, so run the jackpot on this. Every break qualifies. So we're looking for the top spot to match. I know there's not many people in the room right now, but over on YouTube, I'm sure some people are going to check out some NT. So basically, any break in the store, I'm trying to give away a free break. It's a single box or a full case. So here we got a full case of NT. Basically, we take all the league teams. So we got all 30 MLB teams. I'm going to roll the dice. We're going to go 8 times. After I go 8 times, whatever team's at the top, doesn't matter who had it. Let's say it's the Marlins. I'll spin the list 8 more times. If the Marlins show up at the top spot again, then I give away another break of NT. So full case is free. Everyone keeps their teams. Once we hit the counter up to 10, it's top 2 spots. Once it goes to 20, it's top 3, and then it stays at 3 until we hit it. So grab some spots in any break. It's great value. Prices are still fair, and yeah, I love the gamble. So let's go 8 times on the list. Rockies. So if the Rockies show up in the top spot after 8 more times, you get a free case. Oh my God. Jackpot hit. Holy shit. You guys are lucky as sin. What the fuck? Alright, well, congrats everybody. I don't have the other case with me, but it is on hand, so congratulations, Jim. You got some good value, my friend. Alright, that will do it for NT. Keep an eye out for the free break. It'll come up soon. Thank you.